Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. If you have it in you to do a little curbside pickup, we're hitting that blue box on the left hand side, ordering your stuff through a desktop computer or cell phone, driving to the store, going to the photo department to pick it up. We're not doing deals with Register Rewards, and do not check in. Just drive to the store, go to the photo department so you can get a receipt. Because some of these deals have a little bit of IBOTTA magic included, so that is why. Okay, so deal number one, curbside. Now, I had to go back and look into the ad because I'm sure there's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Aussie. I cannot find it. There's been something wrong with the Walgreens app where certain coupons you can't load or you can't find them, and I cannot find this guy. However, yesterday when I was in store, I saw these massive, big Mama's impressive shampoos. Part of this deal. So if Aussie is your thing and you know what the shampoo is about, this might be a dealio for you. So we're going to throw 3 of these into a basket for $18. And yes, without a coupon, it's like, you can always call customer service and say, my 3 off of 2 digital I can't find it. And they'll have to compensate. It's in the ad. Along with, we're going to grab 3 packs of candy by Mars. We have this very generous $1.75 digital, so please make sure that you have it. It's a superb little filler item. So looking at the overall basket, we have 3 of the M&Ms and then 3 of those massive Aussie, like that would be shampoo for the next year if that is your thing. And the conditioner is especially lovely by that company. I really like it. Looking at the overall basket, we're at $21. Curbside pickup is free. Tax, $1.75 for that candy coupon. The new total is $20.33. I personally would use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay 33 cents. And then buy 3 Aussie, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Yes, you can spend it to earn it when it's a buy scenario. So that is kind of interesting. The next deal on the similar promotion is with the toothpaste. And you can do either of these deals in store or curbside. It is your choice, but I know a lot of you would prefer to do it curbside. We're going to load this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So looking at the basket, we're just grabbing 3 items at $4 a pop. So that is $12. Curbside pickup is free. That $5 digital is coming off. $7.72. I would use some Walgreens cash and you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. Not the worst little dealio. Again, with this deal, if you prefer to do it in the store, you may also do that. Okay, curb number 3. We're looking at a toilet paper deal. So these big Mamas, they are the 9 mega rolls for $10 by Cottonelle. If you know, this is a really good toilet paper. The new Scott, it's a hard toilet paper, but this stuff, it hits a little different, literally. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. This guy expires like the day before Halloween. At the very least, load. There's a 4 off of 2 and a 5 off of 2. Load both of them. It's super high value coupons for this toilet paper. And I really like Cottonelle personally. Maybe in the comments, let me know what your favorite is. My husband has no problem with Scott, but I prefer this one. Okay, guys, so throwing 2 of these into a basket, that is $20 on the nose. And as you can see, that $5 comes off. We have a little bit of tax. So the new total is $16.20. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay the $6.20 on your debit card and then make a 50-cent submission twice to IBOTTA once you get the receipt. So it's $1 back. So not the worst little deal, but some cheapy toilet paper if you line this up properly, if you need it in your stockpile. The final deal that we have is curb number 4. Look at the regular price of the AVEENO body wash. That is almost $10. This week, either in store or as a curbside, it's 2 for $11, so $5.50 per. That's some tremendous savings. Putting 2 in a basket for $11, and then the Arm & Hammer toothpaste for $2.99 as well. And then I'm going to show you the digital coupons to load. Unfortunately, I only have one $2. My other account had a 2 and a 3, and then the $1.50 for the Arm & Hammer. So load those 2 coupons. Again, one of my accounts had 2 coupons for the AVEENO, and the other one only had one $2 coupon. Looking at the overall basket, guys, we're at $13.99, free curbside pickup, $3.50 in digitals coming off. Now, IBOTTA has rebates for both the AVEENO body wash and and the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. So you're getting $6 back. It makes this whole basket like $5 if you think that's a good deal. I think it personally is. And just to show you the Ibotta rebates, there's $4 back for the AVEENO Daily Moisture body washes, and then the for the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Now, if you want to do AVEENO in store, you may do that as well because they're just sales price items. It's nothing special for a curbside. But if you want to do the Arm & Hammer, I just typed it out here to do this in store. It's still a freebie, and you can use Walgreens cash, pay 49 cents and get that $2 back from Ibotta. This way, either way you slice it or dice. A freebie and a 51-cent money maker. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye!